What is a group of lions called? Pride. What is a group of wolves called? Pack. What is a group of elephants called? Herd. What is a group of fish called? School. What is a group of birds called? Flock. What is a group of bees called? Swarm. What is a group of whales called? Pod. What is a group of kangaroos called? Mob. What is a group of crows called? Murder. What is a group of ants called? Colony. What is a group of geese called? Gaggle. What is a group of monkeys called? Troop. What is a group of sheep called? Flock. What is a group of giraffes called? Tower. What is a group of zebras called? Dazzle.